I had some leftover pinto beans from when I made some beans the other day. And so I'm going to try this pinto bean fudge recipe that I've always been intrigued by. I think I'm having issues with the cacao powder because as soon as I put it in, it went all chunky. Then I put the powdered sugar in and now I'm supposed to knead it together. So I'll dump it out and knead it here in a minute. But I'm concerned because the mixture before the powdered sugar, it was just kind of grainy and weird as soon as it got any heat on it. I accidentally left the heat on and it did all end up melting together. So now it's kind of just like fudgy frosting. So we'll see what happens after it chills. What did you think about the pinto bean fudge?
Well, it makes my face look like this. So it tastes really good. And then you get to the end and it kind of, you know how when you have like zucchini bread and it has like little strands of zucchini or carrot cake in there where you get little things? I'm getting that, but now I'm realizing it's just bean skin.
Nice.
But it really just tastes like...
Does it taste like fudge?
It tastes like fudge.
Does it taste like good fudge?
It tastes like good fudge, yeah. It's like really good.
Is it as good as my fudge?
Nothing is as good as your fudge.
Oh, that's a good answer.
Nothing will ever be better than your fudge.
How do you like that bean fudge?
It's good.
How many pieces have you had?
3.
3. This is your third piece? Mm-hmm. One was little though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like fudge?
Not really.
What does it taste like? Just lots of sugar?
It tastes just like so good.
Just so good. Not like beans, just like chocolate and sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.